Passenger airbag removal, 1996 Honda Civic. Recommended tools will be a 10mm, a Phillips head screwdriver or 8mm, and a trim tool. Start by removing the glove box. There are two 8mm fasteners that hold it in from underneath. You can also use a Phillips head screwdriver. With the fasteners removed, you can just undo the latch and remove the entire glove box as an assembly. The electrical connector for the passenger airbag is located here. In this illustration, the center console has been removed for clarity. However, you can still access the electrical connector from behind the dash. Pull back on the collar of the connector to disconnect it. You will also need to disconnect the strain relief located here. Once again, the center console has been removed for clarity, but you can still gain access to this behind the glove box. With the glove box removed, you now have access to the three 10mm fasteners holding the airbag in place. Remove those fasteners. To more clearly illustrate how the airbag comes out, we've removed the dashboard. The airbag will need to be pried loose from the dashboard. These are the areas that need to be depressed in order to release the airbag from the dashboard. The side closest to the passenger side of the vehicle is fixed and cannot be depressed. When prying the airbag loose from the dash, make sure you start towards the center of the dashboard. You have now successfully removed the passenger side airbag.